How to fix Minecraft authentication servers are currently not available. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you the most common troubleshooting step, which actually works for me, and I hope it will work for you as well. Now to do this, just open up your file manager, and then in here, go into your local disk C via below this PC, and then choose on Windows. Now on the next page, simply hit S on your keys, and then choose on System 32. From here, click anywhere once again and hit on D on your keyboard, and then open up the drivers folder. Now choose on etc folder, and then you will be landed here. Now what you need to do is to right click on host, and then hover your mouse into open with, then open it with notepad and hit on OK. Now this is going to be the setup that you will be seeing on your screen. What you want to do is just to completely remove this part of the text, and then go back to file, hit on save, and try to relaunch the Minecraft launcher again. And that's it. That's how you fix Minecraft authentication servers are currently not available.